Hi, my name is Nick Terry, and today we're going to be talking about how to repair up-down sliding windows. So as you can see with this window right here, as I try to move it up and down, it is just not smooth at all. So now the next thing we're going to want to do is we want to take this window pane out of the window frame. So in order to do this, it is best to first come up to the top and unlock these little latches. So after you have it up to the top, just going to pop out the pane. Now we're going to take a closer look. So after we have the window frame out, we can take a closer look to see what's the issue with the window. And it looks like in this situation, this rod has come undone. And so first of all, we want to take a look to see what the issue is and if there is a problem. And in this case, it looks like the spring is in good shape. And then also, it looks like the string is in good shape also. So it just must have come undone one way or another. And one other thing you want to check while you're observing this rod is you want to make sure there aren't any dings or dents in it that's preventing the spring from coming up and down. So in this case, it looks like everything is in good shape. If not, you might just need to replace a couple of the parts, but in this case, we'll put this back up. And on the rod, there's a little hook right here, and the hook goes into this little groove right here next to the window frame. And so we're going to hook it in the little hook in there, and then we're going to connect it up here at the top. In order to do this, you need to pull it down a little bit, and then it'll hook right up into that groove. Once we have the rod hooked in place, we're going to put this window pane back in. And so in order to do this, we're going to hook in the right side first, and then we're going to hook in the left, and then we're going to make it catch, and voila. It slides nice and smoothly. We'll give it a couple of tries here. Make sure it looks good and stays in its position, and it's looking good. So that is how you repair up and down sliding windows.